Good morning, Braves. This is it, the final assignment of the school year. Welcome to Mr. Pace's escape room. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how it is. I expect you to get through my escape room and onto the final room, Mr. Smith. Welcome. Let's get on with it. Right here, your task is to complete this crossword puzzle. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, you have your clues down here, across and down, 10 altogether. Okay, so let's take a look at the first one. I'll do this one with you guys, and we will let you try and sort out the rest. Okay, so clue number one, the use of violence by groups of extremists. Ooh, I should, little editing thing. To achieve political goals. Now you could Google the answer, whatever you want. I'm going to go ahead and give it to you. If you click in the box right here, you will be able to type in it. T E. If you hit the tab button, it'll go over R O R. Careful here. I S M. Terrorism. The focus of the terms here is on terrorism in a modern sense. Terrorism got its first mention back in the 1800s during the French Revolution. Think back to Robespierre and the Reign of Terror, the guillotine. We're looking at terrorism in a modern sense, modern being late 1970s through to today. All of the terms relate to some significant aspect of terrorism in the modern world. Okay, there's some key groups, key individuals, that sort of thing. That's what you're going to go over. Okay, so how do you get to the clue? If you look down here, you have the number 8, number 31, 14, 66, 34, 1, 54, 17. That's one word. Okay. 47, 25. That's your second word. And actually, let me do this. I can point here. Cool. 64, 31, 40, 30, 17. And then 52, 13, 30. I gave you the letter K because I needed to in order to make it work. And then 34. Okay. If you look at the crossword, you have numbers underneath the horizontal words and numbers to the side, either the left or the right of the other words. Okay. See some to the right. The letter corresponds to the number in the code. So let's take a look. We have terrorism 1 through 8. We take a look. Boop. Take a look down here. We've got 8. Okay, that's, oh wait, got 1. So we've got a T and an M in the first word, right? Straightforward. Okay, your goal is to go through the rest of it and then tell me what it is, what the code is. Now, For my students, you know I am a fan of the British comedy group Monty Python, and below your clue has to do with Monty Python. It's just my thing. Um, so you'll see bonus points for posting a video with your version of the correct code. Uh, you will see that's up to you. It's not mandatory. It's really just for my entertainment. Anyway, that's it. Good luck. Hopefully, we'll see these knocked out here in the next few days and finish up this school year and move on to summer. Thanks.